back to my channel. So today this is the look I have for you guys. It is similar to a look that I have done in the past, but I've revamped it a little bit and used a couple of different products, but I wanted to sit down and play with something that was bright and fun. But before we get into that, I do want to say that YouTube is messing with their system yet again, and now they are going to kind of do away with the subscription thing. Like, just because you're subscribed to me doesn't mean you'll get notified when I post a new video. So if you please want to be notified of my videos, please click that notification bell and it would really help me out. But back to what this is about. This is the look I have, so if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out in the crease of my eye, taking this Mary Kay Mineral Eye Color in the shade Sienna. I'm applying this in the crease of my eye a lot higher than I typically would. I'm going to be layering shadows down to build up a smoky eye, and this is just our base. I'm then going to go in with this chocolate brown shade from the Revlon Photo Ready Shadow Plus Primer palette. That was a lot. In the shade Bohemian, and I'm applying that into the crease of my eye and also on the outer corner to really help build that up. Layering shadows is a great way to really have control when you're doing a smoky eye. I'm then going to go into the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette and take the shade Blackout and apply that right over top of the Bohemian shade. And blend. Then I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade Pool Party on a damp brush. I'm going to apply this to the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to kind of pull it out towards those darker shades on the outer corner. Now, for blending the transition of those two shades together, I'm taking the brush I used in my crease, not dipping it back into any color, and I'm going to just switch brushes out. So I'm going to start with the dark, go in with the light, start with the dark, go in with the light, and just blend back and forth till I get a nice smooth gradient and transition going on. Then I'm going to go back into Blackout on an angled brush, and I'm going to use this as my eyeliner. If you want a nice, soft, smudgy eyeliner, then going in with an eyeshadow is the best way to do that mistake-free. Eyeshadow is so much easier to blend out than an eyeshadow pencil. I'm then going to go in and curl my lashes and give them a good squeeze, and I'm going in with my Ride or Die Never Failed mascara, applying 2 thick coats to top and bottom lashes. It's the TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. This stuff is awesome. For cheeks, I'm going in with this Color Workshop Baby Pink and applying that to my chickies. Then for lips, I want a nice bold pop of color, so I'm going in with the Clove Plus Hollow Lip Glaze in the shade Spicy. You could always substitute this for a nude if you'd prefer, but I really wanted a nice bold pop of color. Then I'm going in with this Essence highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight and applying that to the high points. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, there's a full list of products I use down in the description box below this video. I love you guys very, very much. I'll see you next Tuesday, but don't forget, make good choices.